Here I've got a Matchbox Working rigs, a man truck, and the reason I bought it, it says Tom's on the side, Tom's Transport, and the hobby shop where I buy most of my Diecast cars is named Tom's. So I thought it was pretty cool to put it in front my Diecast car store in 1/64 scale with some mini GT boxes to make a photo with it. 14 out of 16. Unfortunately, we have no information from the rest of the set here on the back. We do have a barcode, an article number, and some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it, and we can see what is possible. Yeah, let's open it up. There we go. Be careful, be careful. Have to be careful with this Matchbox sign because I'm going to use that for a diorama. We'll show that in another video soon. Okay, so here we have the truck, good looking truck. So the side can open. It's not a very good. In a couple of years it is possible that this will break, so it's better to keep it closed like this. On the other side it is also possible. Yeah. And here it's possible to put the package in and out. And yeah, you can take this off. There's no problem. Here we got the base, 6 plastic wheels. Let's have a look at the interior. Not a super bad steering wheel. And here we got the seats, 3 seats. We got painted front lights. And we got painted rear lights, and that is basically it. A very nice truck, and I'm going to make some cool photos with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.